Aminado ang aktres na si Ellen Adarna na maaaring siya ang dahilan kung bakit hindi nag-work ang relasyon nila ng aktor na si John Lloyd Cruz. Ito ay matapos na dumanas ng depresyon ng aktres pagtapos manganak sa anak nila ng aktor. Because I had so many issues na hindi pa na-resolve, I was protecting it on him. Saad ni Ellen. Now, I'm in a very good place. I can say I'm 100% okay. I feel my environment change, like his approach to me. My relationship with him has changed without asking him to change. So I was just really the problem. How I view it, my thinking pattern was the problem. Dagdag pa ng aktres. Ayon pa kay Ellen, ay isa rin si Elias Modesto, anak nila ni John Lloyd, ang dahilan kung bakit nais niyang iresolba ang issues niya. My son needs him as much as he needs me. I see their relationship, and I see how happy my son is when he is around. So that's why I also have to work on myself. Because when I had my issues with JL, okay, if I don't allow my son to see his father, how will I tell him? Because I had animosity towards his father? Dami pa yung bata sa mga issues ko. Saad ni Ellen. Nilahad pa ni Ellen na tumagal ng 2 taon ng kanyang pakikipaglaban sa depresyon dahil nagkapatong-patong ang pinagdadaanan niya. Bukod sa pagkamatay ng kanyang ama, ay nagkaroon ng problema ang relasyon nila ni John Lloyd. I'm the only girl, and I lost an anchor. Me and my dad. We had a weird but good relationship. Tough love, but father pa rin. Lahad ng aktres. You know, we weren't compatible. Obviously. That's why we broke up. Of course. Any normal breakup hurts. You want things to work. Dagdag pa nito. Ngayon naman ay maayos na raw ang kanyang pag-handle sa kung ano man ang problema niya. In the past, I would react very quickly or violently or without thinking. Now, I'm still feel the emotions. I'm still human. But I'm better at reacting. I manage it well na. I think I've zened it out. I can identify when an emotion is coming. Like, what am I feeling? How am I feeling? Why am I feeling this? If I react like this, what's the outcome? So that's all being calculated already. And ever since I had that kind of thinking, things have been so smooth. Ani ni Ellen.
Share, subscribe!